Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit the encoding of a website. You can change the character set of a particular website. So once you install this Google Chrome extension, while you visit a website, you can change the encoding character set. All these options will come. You can select it in different languages. So just add to Chrome. It's a very useful extension. It saves you a lot of time. Default encoding you can edit. So once it is installed, let me just the icon appears something like this. So while you visit a website, as you see I visited this website, I click on this icon and default encoding is Unicode UTF-8, but I can change it to different encoding and just refresh. You can change it to Arabic. As you see now it is changed Korean. So in this easy way, all these encoding types are there. So Romanian, Nordic, Japanese, Greek, in different languages we have. So as you can see right here, so you can do this with any language, any website. Visit the website and click on that. So now as you see, all the text will be translated. If I change it to Japanese, you will see that. If I change it to Arabic, you will see. Depending upon which encoding you are selecting, you will see that. So with a single click, you can change the encoding type, character set, everything. With this extension, definitely check this out, character set.